Everyone, I welcome you all in my new video. So in this video we will see about the Nifty and the Bank Nifty analysis for tomorrow. So as tomorrow is expiry, because this week we have holidays from Thursday, so we'll have a weekly expiry as tomorrow. So let's go to the levels at what I'm looking for Nifty and Bank Nifty. So first start with the Nifty. So these are the levels which I have mentioned in yesterday's video. So the levels almost remains the same for tomorrow's expiry, because the Nifty almost moved in a very closed range today, as you can see between these levels. So the levels which I am looking for Nifty for tomorrow as well is above 17,650 levels. We can think of going long in Nifty. And above on the downside, if we see, we'll take the levels at 17,450 levels to go to sell off in Nifty. And if it remains in the same zone, since tomorrow is an expiry, so we can think of getting a good DK if you are an option writer in the premiums. And if you are an option buyer, then you should wait for the confirmation for going in one direction or getting the momentum in that way. So if you want to go long in Nifty, it should cross these levels above 650, then only you can think of going long in Nifty. Similarly, on the shorter side as well, if Nifty is unable to sustain this level 17,450 levels and goes down and you see a momentum, so as an option buyer you can enter at that point and do a sell off. Otherwise, if it remains in the same zone, so as an option writer you can sell calls and puts accordingly, and if it works like in one direction, you can sell your calls or puts in a directional way. So this was the analysis for Nifty. Let's go to the Bank Nifty. So if we see the Bank Nifty for tomorrow, so Bank Nifty almost acted in the levels which I have mentioned. So if you refer to my yesterday's video, I have clearly mentioned that if Bank Nifty is able to cross above 37,600 levels, so we can see a more going long in Bank Nifty. So at this level, we could see the Bank Nifty has already become bullish and it has touched above around 37,880 levels. So this was for the Bank Nifty for today. So whoever is option writer and might have calls at this position, they should have exited their calls by here. Otherwise, the premiums would have doubled by this time. So it is not at all. So whenever you know the levels, at what level you need to exit and enter, you should exit your other side strikes if its market is going against you. So as you can see, this was the level at what Bank Nifty today was able to touch it, but it then again came down. So what levels I am looking for tomorrow is, since tomorrow is expiry as well, so as of now, I think like Bank Nifty can be quite, looking at today's closing also, Bank Nifty can be quite bullish tomorrow. So as I have mentioned yesterday, Bank Nifty can give a negative opening in today's we saw in the morning itself that Bank Nifty gave a negative opening, but on the downside it was unable to cross 37,200 levels, which was a major support for Bank Nifty, and it was again in the second half, it immediately moved up with good volumes in above 37,600 levels. So the level which I am looking for tomorrow is, so if you are a positional trader, if you have already carried your position from today above 37,600, so bullish position. So but if you are taking any intraday position for tomorrow, so above, I would recommend Bank Nifty, if crosses above 38,000, either on opening we get a kind of mild gap up opening, or after opening also Bank Nifty goes above this level, so I would suggest then you can go long in Bank Nifty. Otherwise, if you can take position according to today's closing, but still it's bullish. On the downside or shorter side, we can see that again I am looking for 37,200, but the first level which I look for is 37,400. It should break at the intraday levels, and then we can think of shorting Bank Nifty at the intraday level. So as an option writer, I would suggest you can sell puts above 37,200 actually. So below 37,200 put, if you have you can go, and if you're a little aggressive, you can sell like 37,300 and 400 puts as well. So this is my view for Bank Nifty. Hope you like the video, and you can one thing I would like to say, you can refer my expiry day video as well for the analysis, because I share my complete analysis on the expiry day, how I took the trades and when did I exit the trades. So you can refer all those videos along with this, and if you like this video, you can subscribe to my channel and also comment if you want to see anything new on my channel. So thank you everyone, and see you again in my next video. Thank you.